Hello everybody, my name is Jordan Samuels. I'm a junior trainer at Kohl Academy and I'm here to tell you a little bit more about our institution. So Kohl Academy has become one of South Africa's leading makeup training institutions, and our aim is to inspire and uplift aspiring makeup artists with our passion and modern approach to combining theoretical principles with practical applications. Makeup is a form of art with endless possibilities, and it's a way of being creative with no boundaries. Here at Kohl, we offer a variety of courses. However, we specialize in makeup and hairstyling. When it comes to makeup, we teach you all there is to know about makeup. We teach you product knowledge, business aspects, history of makeup, the different types of makeup like high fashion, special effects, airbrush, body art, editorial, bridal, all there is to know. You never left not knowing anything, and you're always excited to learn more. And when it comes to hair, you learn different styles, the theory, the different tools, product knowledge, how to style and work with different hair types. It's a lot of fun. It gives you a chance to be creative. It's an amazing experience. Another thing about Kohl is that we're internationally accredited and we adhere to international criteria, which is something that we're very proud of. We're very proud to have amazing trainers who can teach us all the knowledge and skills that they've attained. It's an amazing experience to see our students grow from the knowledge that we had given them and all the skills that we've taught them, and to see them add a twist on their little ways of doing things. We are based in Pardon Island and we have a beautiful studio over there. And if you want to know any more details about us, you can email us at capetown@kohl.co.za, or you can check out our Instagram, Kohl Makeup. And if you want to know anything else, you can just check out our website, Kohl Academy, and that's all there is to know. I hope you're staying safe during this time, and I hope that you have a great day.